Quick guide to wardrobe assembly. First, secure the 68 screws to the wooden board. Assemble the entire cabinet using these boards. Install the cabinet top. Next, secure the back panel of the cabinet. Then start assembling the two drawers. Install rollers on both sides of the drawer. Please note, install 2 handles on each drawer. Next, install the sliding tracks in the cabinet. Install the 2 drawers. Install hinges on the cabinet doors. Install a handle on the door panel. Next, secure the door panel. Use this screw to adjust the door gap. This screw adjusts the distance between the door panel and the cabinet. Adjust to the proper distance, then tighten the screw to finish.